You may have heard about the shocking sex abuse lawsuit being leveled at WWE boss Vince McMahon by a former employee. The scandal couldn't come at a worse time as the WWE signed a massive $5 billion deal with Netflix.
All right, folks, let's get into it. Big news today as the feds have officially dropped their hush money probe into former WWE boss Vince McMahon. And let's be honest, this is disappointing but hardly surprising. We've been covering the countless allegations of criminal conduct and extreme sexual assault claims surrounding McMahon's empire, and yet here we are, no criminal charges. Federal prosecutors have decided to walk away from the investigation, despite a judge ruling just this past year that there was probable cause to believe McMahon violated the law, manipulating WWE's internal controls and even falsifying financial records. So what gives? Now, let's break this down. The allegations. It all started when former WWE employee Janelle Grant filed a lawsuit against McMahon, claiming he trafficked her to other executives and wrestlers. She signed an NDA in 2022 expecting $3 million in hush money, but McMahon stopped paying after the first $1 million installment. And guess what? If he didn't pay up, that NDA doesn't hold up in court. This isn't even the first time. McMahon has already been accused of paying over $12 million to keep misconduct allegations buried. But now that his money isn't flowing like it used to, things are unraveling fast. McMahon has denied everything, but let's be real. His role in the WWE has been shrinking. He retired as CEO in 2022, and after Grant's lawsuit, he stepped down as Executive Chairman of TKO Holdings, WWE's parent company. But wait, it doesn't stop there. McMahon's wife, Linda McMahon, a longtime Trump ally, has also been dragged into controversy. She co-founded WWE with her husband and was Trump's pick to lead the Small Business Administration. Now, she's facing serious backlash during her confirmation hearing for the Department of Education.
You have been named in a lawsuit, which alleges that you and your husband allowed for systemic and pervasive abuse of underage children to persist in your business for years. It is an ongoing lawsuit, and it alleges that you rehired a known sexual predator and you felt it was sufficient to simply direct him to steer clear of children. If confirmed, you will be responsible with overseeing the Department of Education Office of Civil Rights, charged with ensuring equal access to education through vigorous enforcement of civil rights laws. I am so concerned about whether sexual assault survivors on campus can trust you to support them.
They certainly can trust me to support them. I have a granddaughter that is now in college. I have two grandsons who are in college. And I have a deep commitment of understanding of how I would feel if any of them were involved in sexual harassment or accused of sexual harassment.
The bombshell? She's being questioned over an ongoing lawsuit accusing her and Vince of enabling systematic and pervasive abuse of underage children within WWE. And her response, a classic political pivot, talking about her grandkids instead of actually addressing the issue. And let's not forget, this is the same woman whose department is supposed to protect civil rights and enforce equal access to education. How can sexual assault survivors on college campuses trust her to advocate for them?
I'm so happy to have them here, and many friends have come from far places, so I welcome having them here today and appreciate that they're here. So, thank you, Chairman Cassidy.
Will you return some common sense to our campuses in this way?
Yes.
Fantastic.
Capitol Police are asked to remove the individual from the hearing room.
Folks, what we're seeing is zero accountability, zero enforcement, and a system designed to protect the powerful. Trump is filling key positions with people who would never dare hold him accountable. And McMahon is walking away from yet another scandal without consequences. Let us know what you think in the comments. Is this justice or just another example of the elite protecting their own? Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more hard-hitting analysis from Digicoin Daily.